Well, alright guys, so if you've been following the chronicles of mischief and the broken handle and stuff that happened to me the other day, and how I MacGyvered myself out of it, or not, I mean, it was not very pretty to look at, but anyway. These things here have these little devices which are horrible, and so if after like a million years of using it, it breaks, it gets stuck and you can never get out. And so that's why I'm replacing it with this. And this is what is called the Kwikset. The Kwikset. I thought it was Kiwi for a second, but anyway, Kwikset. This one does not come with one of those pesky things, so you can't lock it. And that will obviously reduce... It won't be as safe as in you can't lock the door, but then people won't accidentally lock themselves in. Which is still better in some ways. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all.
Likey.